Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today a notification released from Electronics Corporation of India. It's a leading Schedule A public sector enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. So coming to the point, next eligibility criteria. Upper age limit 27 years as on 30 April 2025. Next post specifications guys. Graduate engineer training get. So discipline category electronics, telecommunication, and instrumentation, information technology, mechanical, triple E, electrical, civil, chemical. So total number of vacancies 80. Next qualification 4 years full-time degree in engineering first class or minimum 60% aggregate in relevant branch. So salary 40 to 140. So basic pay 40. Next important instructions guys. So candidate having dual combination degree automobile engineering or electronics and construction engineering, so also along with the specified discipline mentioned about are not eligible to apply. So check this instruction before apply. Next candidate should have passed qualifying degree as per para 2 final year semester students expecting final and consolidated marks sheet also eligible to apply. So final year candidates also eligible. So please check para 2. Next emoluments and benefits guys. So the selected candidates will be trainee officer pay scale 40,000 along with allowances like DA, HRA and provident fund, leave, etc. So company to time. So maybe approximately 13 lakhs per annum. So next bond guys, the selected candidate shall be required to execute survey and indemnity bond on non-judicial stamp paper 100 to serve the company for a period 4 years. It's nowadays common, no problem. Next reservation of post guys. So category wise reservations as follows. So total number of vacancies 80, unreserved category 38, EWS 8 and OBC 22, SC 10 and ST 2. So department wise vacancies electronics category, so number of post 34 and instrumentation 2. Next information technology 18, so mechanical 16, electrical 5, civil 3 and chemical 2. So total number of vacancies and category wise SC ST OBC and EWS category. So next age relaxation and SC/ST 5 years and OBC 3 years. So check the date says. So qualification first class minimum 60% marks and second class with 50% marks. Aggregate SC/ST candidates remaining first class remaining categories. So method of selection, the selection methodology will comprise a two-stage selection process through computer based test and personal interview. The weightage is CBT and personal interview 85 is to 15 respectively. The candidate has to secure minimum 50% marks in each sector selection and 60% overall to be considered the selection candidates. So maximum CBT guys. So you have to focus CBT. Computer based test 85 is to 15 just ratio. Next, all eligible candidates shall be called for CBT. So 1:4 guys ratio CBT performance and computer based test cities Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi and Kolkata. Next CBT shall be multiple choice. The computer based test duration 120 minutes for 100 questions, 20 minutes per extra for PWD candidates. The syllabus of computer based test primarily focus on objective type questions derived from core engineering subject. The candidates study part of their respective engineering discipline specialization. So only your subject, yes, your BTech subjects. Next, intimation available, hall ticket, CBT downloading. So this is the website link, guys, www.ecil.gov.in. Go this website and apply. The candidates have bring to their hall ticket along with ID proof, guys, Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, driving license. So personal interview, shortlisted candidates will be called for personal interview, Hyderabad only. Next, document verification and personal interview, call letter, certificates, 10th SC ST OBC, so relevant certificates, qualification, so uh, general conditions, general or OBC category including non-creamy layer EWs have to pay non-refundable application fee 1000 rupees, guys, exam fee 1000 rupees, and remaining SC/ST officers from defense and regular employees of ECIL, which includes fixed term contracts, so non-payment fee will be result, so exempted. Remaining candidates, please remember this point. So only online application shall be accepted. Next, to pro sleeper class railway fare admissible to out of station candidates which attend personal interview. So railway fare available for sleeper class. Next, important dates, guys. So the last date of online application, 5th June 2024. So starting date 16 May 2025. Next, procedure to pay application fee through collect 1000 rupees, general and EWS OBC candidates, remaining nil, and SBI. And once again, important dates, guys. So online registration 16th May 2025, and last date of online application 5th June 2025. This is the website link, guys. Download hall ticket ecil.gov.in. So this is the ECL recruitment get. So thank you. So upcoming updates, so please you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you and all the best.